Hi everyone! Today, we're drawing Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. She's graceful, calm, and full of quiet strength. Now, get your pencils ready, follow my lines carefully, and let's bring Rumi to life on paper. Even though she carries shadows from her past, Rumi always chooses the light. On stage, her dances shine like magic. Her presence is truly unforgettable. Her outfits sparkle with mystery, mixing dark shades with shining details. While the team fights together, Rumi's calm spirit guides them forward. And that's our drawing of Rumi. I hope you enjoyed creating this magical K-pop hero with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It makes me super happy. And make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next character from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can also check out my K-pop Demon Hunter playlist, full of other heroes waiting to be drawn. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye!